Don't get us! Don't get us!
We motivated, got motivation. We motivated, got motivation. We motivated, got motivation.
Okay, so today, just like I promised, I'm gonna do a special video. I'm gonna do an unboxing of this brand new vendor that I just tried out. So it's gonna be a really special video. But before you do that, before we get into all that, I need you to stop, hit that subscribe button, you feel me? Hit that like, notifications, comments, all that, subscribe so you make sure you won't miss out on none of that great content that's coming in, okay? So the vendor I'm gonna show you all today is called Fashion TIY. I wanna say they're based out of China because it took like forever for my stuff to come, so I'm thinking it must be coming from somewhere far. Like I said in my previous video, you always want to do a sample order, some quality control on the item before you get them. Otherwise, you might be getting a surprise like I did today. So I'm going to show y'all the good, the bad, and the ugly. So their website address is www.fashiontiy.com. And they also have an app. They have an app on Android and they have an app on iPhone. Just search Fashion TIY and it should pop up. They have a lot of clothing. They have women's clothing, they have men's clothing, they have accessories, they have cell phone cases. They have a lot of everything. So you can spend a lot of time just digging through there. They got some really good prices. So go ahead and get on there, look through the stuff, and go ahead and create your little sample order so you can see the quality of the products before you actually start selling these products though. The first item I'm gonna show y'all is this mask. Now, I'm gonna say I ain't 100% disappointed, I ain't 100% appointed, or whatever you call it, but I will say that I don't think it looks like the picture that I actually was expecting it to look like. So I'm gonna put it on and show y'all. Look, I don't even know which way is it, up or down. Okay, so this is me right here. Oh, I guess it do kind of look like it. I think this how I go. So do I look scary? Y'all tell me what I look like. Do I look a mess? Okay, this is me. And then this is what it's supposed to look like. I'll put the picture up next to me. So what y'all think? Y'all think this look authentic to the picture or not? So I think it's a little off. And I ain't gonna lie, the quality ain't that great. Maybe y'all can't. It look good on camera, honestly. Look, the camera's like doing some real justice. Cause it's kind of blurry when you look at it in person. It don't look how the camera making it look. And it's kind of crooked if you notice. Like it don't sit like. It's like off a little bit or something. I don't know. It's like, I don't know. I guess. But that's the first item right there. So this is the second item I'll show y'all. So I ordered these little smart watches. I don't know how smart they actually are, but I said they were smart. So let's see what we got. Oh, it comes in pieces. Good job, guys. You go. Interesting. Put together. Yeah. I'm not about to put this together right now, but I'll probably do a whole nother video on this because you see what they gave me. This. So, what's the instructions? I was going to say, without no instructions, but they gave me instructions. I'm not about to put that together right now. But it seems like it feels a little light. Yeah, a little light. And the quality seems okay. I guess this is the charger. Like I said, I'm going to do another whole video on this because I got two of them. So I'll just post another video later showing y'all the finished result and how to work these, and maybe even how to put them together. Like I said, I got two. But I will show you a picture of how it looks so you know why I ordered it, because obviously it didn't look like this in the display picture. It looked like this. So I'll put a picture up so you can see what it looked like. Okay, let's see what else we got in here in the goodie box. Okay. So I got these M&M Air cases. And these were actually really good. They're really good quality. But guess what? I got the wrong ones. I didn't get the ones for my AirPods. I got them for the new generation. I got the first generation AirPods. So they nice, but they don't fit my AirPods. They're real nice. And I'll show you a picture of what they look like. They look just like on the picture, and they're really good quality. Yeah. I'm disappointed because they don't fit, but I'm gonna reorder them. Give me something that fit mine. But they're really nice though. They are. They have a ton of different AirPod cases to choose from, so that's one. This is part of the good, not the bad or the ugly. And moving right along, I noticed that on the last item there was a lot of crackling with the plastic from the packaging, so I just went ahead and took this one out. So this is a really nice cell phone case that I ordered. You see, that's really nice. It even like gives a little reflection to it like a real can. But only thing with this, once again, it don't fit my phone. I must have been half asleep when I ordered half of this stuff because I was just pressing order. But it's really good quality. So this is another good. So cell phone cases, AirPod cases, you're good. Go for it, I say. The next item is another mask. It was supposed to be another scary mask. I thought I was finna come straight out the horror movies, but nah, not with these. Nobody's gonna be scared. This to me looks like polka dot. Just me. It just looks like polka dot. Now I'm gonna show y'all a picture. Y'all tell me, do this look like polka dot? Or do this look scary like it's supposed to look? Cause to me this ain't scary. This look like Dalmatians. Like, like I don't know what I'm supposed to do with this like that. And then look at the quality. Like I said, the camera gives a little bit better quality than what it looks like from the naked eye. So this is another bad. This ain't ugly, but it's bad. So the next item here is this nice watch I ordered. I really like the quality of the watch. This is a different kind of watch. It's not a smart watch. This is a nice, sophisticated men's watch that I ordered. It's a really nice quality. The band is suede here. And then this part, it's a nice metal. It's not super heavy. The only thing I would say is I did think it was gonna be just a little bigger. But you know, I'm satisfied overall. I don't have to have a super big watch on my arm, you know, all the time. But you know, it still looks nice, you know, nice and simple. Not too much. Like I said, I really enjoy the suede band. So it's nice. So this is really good, really nice, you know. A win. These last two, I just went ahead and got rid of the box and everything, because we got to get serious now. Because these two items, I was just really, really disappointed. Like, I was disappointed with the quality, the material, the print, the everything. It was just like, what did you send me? Okay, what is this? What is this? Okay, let's go to we're gonna start with the not as down, okay? Go with this, okay? When I seen it, I mean, and look, I bet y'all like, oh, it ain't nothing wrong with that. This camera, I'm telling you, it must be the iPhone is giving these items life, because this is trash. It's complete trash. Like, I don't know if you can see through it, but I'm gonna put it on, and it might even look okay on, but I'm telling you, the material is horrible. The stitching is just like, what? Look how thin that is. This reminds me of gym shorts or something, like, you know, you play basketball in, like, that's super thin. Look at that. I know y'all can see me through there. Look at that. You can see me. You can see me. Why can you see me? Trash. Complete trash. Now, I'm going to show you what it look like, and I know when I show you this picture, you're going to look like, that look like cotton. Yeah, they do look like cotton. This was showing cotton. This is like some polyester. Hey. You asking me, I don't know what this is, but I'm gonna put it on for y'all too though in just a second. So yeah, this is what I got. So this is what the shirt looks like on. Well, I guess it don't look that bad on, but it still don't look that great of a quality. It's sitting a little funny in certain areas. You know, I have working out a little bit now. But yeah, it's cool. It's cool. I guess it was just the Bart Simpson mainly that I really didn't like. This one is okay. I can live with this. Last but not least, this is even why I placed this order, and this is why I was so disappointed, because this was the item that I wanted the most. I was like, oh, I can't wait till I get my Bart Simpson Supreme shirt, right? And then I get this. Now, mind you, like I said, this camera, iPhone does a good job. Good job, iPhone. You make stuff look real nice. That's not that nice. Like, yeah, it's okay. But when you get up close, it's like the print is blurry. You see that? You see how blurry that is? Like, what is that? Where is the quality? Can you even barely read this print? Like, what is going on here with this quality? Like, where did they get this from? Like, who said I wanted a see-through mesh Mark Simpson shirt? Like, what is this? Like, okay. Yeah, like the quality, like, look at that. Like, what material is that? Like, who wants this? Like, yeah, it was like an epic fail. I mean, they tried, you know, I see where they was going, that they got the nice print, but they just, the quality failed. It's just like, it's not there. I could just go, whew, with that, yeah, and never look at it again, yeah. All right, so that basically concludes my video for today. So overall, my overall opinion on fashion DIY. I will say, overall, I had some goods, which I like the AirPod cases, I like the cell phone cases, I like that watch with the suede band. I had some bad, which I would say like the mask, and I had some ugly, which I said them shirts was just completely ugly. And on top of everything, it took a little over a month for my stuff to come. I actually started getting really, really worried because I kept texting them, well, not texting them, hitting them on their chat, saying, hey, where's my stuff? Where's my confirmation number? It actually took really long for my stuff to actually ship out. So if you don't have a problem with waiting like forever for your stuff and communication being like, not quite there, and you kind of like, so I wouldn't say 100% just count them out all the way, but I will say be patient and you will get your stuff, and always order samples. Like I said in the previous video, if you missed that video on ordering samples, it's in my playlist under how-tos. It has a video on ordering samples. I'll tell you all about ordering samples and why you need to order samples and the whole lot about sampling. So that's my video for today. But y'all already know, before y'all leave, what y'all gotta do, y'all gotta hit that like, comment, and subscribe, okay? All right, I'll see y'all later. I'm out.